Urus malaki.
Baik.
Wala na ako internet, guys. Ubos na yung SIM ko. Hi, Shidar! Good morning! Good morning to you! Shidar. Today your birthday. No! It's her birthday. My friend's birthday. Not mine. That's her birthday. Anong express yan? Flash Express. May flash ba dyan sa inyo? Crispy. Oh, your first birthday. See her. Happy birthday from me. Happy birthday daw din. From Shidar Vlog. Padala. Ano ipapadala mo? Gugma. Urus. Ano ipapadala mo? Padala mo sa akin. What's her name, Mayang? Her name is Jodette.
Hi, my name is Judy.
Jodette na, guys. What's her name?
Judith na sa inyong kuryente.
Jodette na sa inyong kuryente. Ang karabulan. Single, double, triple. Double. Judith. Hello, how are you? Kuya, sa spelling sa yan. Judith dito eh. Kato ng utana. Jodyth. Jodette. Hello, how are you? How are you, Doka? She's fine. You're still beautiful, Judith. Can I do if what can I do if I mistake spelling? It's okay. It's okay, Shadar. No one's perfect. That's very, very fine. It's fine. Because no one's perfect. Judith or something else. Send super chat if wrong spelling. Mr. Shadar, send super chat if you can, if wrong spelling. You send super chat, Shadar. Because you are wrong spelling. I want red super chat. So that we can buy more pizza. So that we can buy more pizza. Bitin ako sa pizza eh.
Ay, hindi nga ay anak ko. Ay, gato. Wala siya, ito, kahit eh. Basta naman ko, kaya malute. Ay mo mama, wala na lang kung na-active ko. Ako, pero wala ko reporta.
Tagaman na siya.
Sili ko kaya nila ay, kay marites kayo.
Nagmarites rin. I want more pizza, Shidar. Send me super chat. Super chat, Shidar. I will buy more pizza. I want to eat more pizza.